You have a new member today.
Oh no.
Oh no, what happened, Digital?
Is because she's hungry. Here is your food, Pink Dog. Digital loves food.
Okay, so, you put Digital outside. Hey Martha.
What is it?
Can you give Digital a new toy?
Oh, it's so cute, and I like fish. Thank you for helping me to get me a new member after my show is over. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.
You're watching Duolingo channel.
What?
He did the monster mash. It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from there.
Hi, I'm Drizzle.
Oh yes.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Drizzle. Woohoo.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Girlingo. Oh no.
I know.
Hi, I'm Duolingo.
I know.
Hi, I'm Drizzle.
Oh yes.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Drizzle.
Oh yes.
This is Duolingo channel. Hey, is this thing on? Haha.
Hey, Duolingo.
What do you
What
say?
do you say?
What do you want to
What
learn
do you
today?
want to learn today?
I want to know why things happen and how, and I want to learn everything now. Oh yeah. How does this thing work? Why does that stuff changed? How does that do what it just did? What's up in the sky? You think I could fly? The world is spinning and I want to know why. I got a lot of questions and big ideas. I'm Duolingo, the science bird. Hey, guess what time it is? Holiday time, my favorite time of the year. Woohoo, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. Yeah, we celebrate 3 holidays in my house. We decorate a big tree for Christmas, then we have a menorah and dreidels for Hanukkah, and we light a canary candle holder for Kwanzaa. And the best part is the weather is always nice and warm here, so we get to celebrate in the backyard. Except this year is going to be different. This year, the whole family's gonna visit Aunt Irene in Minnesota. It's cold. Really, really cold.
Duolingo, breakfast time.
Woohoo, great, haha. Breakfast time. Woohoo. I love my mom.
Huh?
My mom is cool.
Huh?
But now it's time for having fun at school. Yeah.
Hi, Duolingo. Hello, Duolingo. Hello, did you all walk to school?
Yes, we do.
Wow, what a wonderful thing to do.
Oh, bye Duolingo.
Bye bye.
Bye, Susie.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. There's Girlingo.
Watch what I can do. Haha, yeah, ready, set, go.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. Hey, there's Pooh.
Yeah, check out my moves. Ha ha ha, I'm a rock star. Yeah, ha ha, hot stuff.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. Hey, there's Mina.
Haha, may I show you how I groove? Haha, ha, woohoo.
We're looking for our friends. We're looking for you.
Hey, there's Duolingo.
Did you hear the one about the bird who wanted to know everything about everything?
That's you.
Haha, you got me.
We're looking for our friends. And look what we found. We found each other.
Friends.
Anyone doing anything excited?
Ooh,
Me.
I am going to celebrate 3 holidays at once.
Tell us about it, Duolingo.
Well, in my house, we have Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa.
3 holidays? You look so lucky.
I love holidays at my house with my family, but this year, it's going to be different.
4 holidays.
Haha, no, the same 3, but this time, we are going to celebrate them in Minnesota.
Oh, wow. Wait a minute. What's Minnesota?
Well, it's a place where my Aunt Irene lives, and it's really, really cold.
Oh, Duolingo is right, it is cold in Minnesota in the winter time.
Is it as cold as the freeze?
Well, I don't know. That's really cold. Is that cold there? I mean, how cold is really cold?
That's a good question, and there is a way to measure to exactly how cold it is outside by measuring the temperature.
Oh, Susie, when I get a fever, my parents take my temperature.
Oh, my parents do that too. They use a thermometer.
Yes, a thermometer is a great way to measure the temperature of almost anything. Hey, where could we go to investigate temperature?
Wow, all over the world, December holidays can be warm or chilly or hot or windy.
Yeah, or really cold in Minnesota.
Well, Duolingo, we can't wait to hear about your trip, and I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday.
Happy
holidays.
Oh, thank you, you're so sweet. Okay, my scientists, it's time to go home. Follow me.
Yeah.
Now, where is my Duolingo?
Right here, Grandma.
Okay, let's roll.
Let's roll.
So, Duolingo, tell me about your day.
We learned all about temperatures, and now I know that it will be fun to go to Minnesota and celebrate the holidays as long as I wear my warm clothes. My lingo, boy lingo, Zeke, we learned all about cold temperatures and thermometers today.
Splash was an average dog. She went
Wolf,
aunt,
wolf,
aunt.
grrr.
Then she ate some alphabet soup and what happened was bizarre.
On the way to Splash's stomach, the letters lost their way. They traveled to her brain and now
She got a lot to say. Now she speaks.
How now, brown cow?
Splash speaks. Yeah, she speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
What's a caboose? What are we eating again?
Splash speaks.
Hey, Joe Wade I know.
My name's not Joe.
She's not always right but still, that Splash speaks.
Hi there.
She's got a voice, she's ready to shout. Splash will tell you what it's all about. Sometimes wrong but seldom in doubt. Splash will tell you what it's all about. That dog's unique.
Testing. 1, 2.
Hear her speak. Splash speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and
Communicates. Enumerates. Elucidates. Exaggerates. indicates, and explicates, bloviates and overstates and hyperventilates.
Splash to reiterate, Splash speaks.
We will be there soon. I love you, Aunt Irene.
Bye.
Today was great. We learned all about different temperatures and how to read a thermometer, and I can't wait to see my Aunt Irene and play in the snow. You know, it's too bad it never snows where I live. Well, I hope you think winter is as cool as I do, haha, and I hope you have a happy holiday with your family. You too, thank, I can't wait to be with my family in the snow, because I am Duolingo the science bird, remember. Keep asking lots and lots of questions. See you later, scientists. You're watching Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Drizzle. Woohoo.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Drizzle.
Oh yes.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hi, I'm Girlingo. Oh no way.
I know.
Hi, I'm Duolingo.
I know.
Hi, I'm Drizzle. Woohoo.
This is Duolingo channel.
Hey everybody, it's me, Drizzle. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Ha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words, Miska, Mooska, Drizzle. Say it with me, Miska, Mooska, Drizzle. Drizzle, Drizzle, it's the Drizzle's Clubhouse.